Here I have VIVO S1 PRIME, and today I'm going to show you how to add fingerprint on this device. So first of all, you have to go to settings. Next you have to go to the security section, fingerprint. Next you have to select backup lock screen method. It could be pattern, pin, password. Let's select pin. Let's enter our pin. Next confirm it. And what you have to do next is to select if you want to see notifications on the lock screen. You can see all notifications, you can hide sensitive content, or you can don't show any notifications at all. And what you have to do next is to find a fingerprint sensor, which is located here, and tap your finger with it. Tap it with your finger several times for it to remember your finger. And the fingerprint aided. And now, for example, you can unlock your phone just with your fingerprint. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.